Welcome to my channel. Today, we're exploring the bold and luxurious 2025 BMW X7, an SUV that perfectly blends power, technology, and elegance. This flagship model from BMW is designed for those who crave both performance and comfort in a high-end package. From the exterior, the new X7 makes a striking first impression. The signature kidney grille is now more refined and features an illuminated design, giving it a commanding presence. Sleek LED headlights, a sculpted hood, and aerodynamic body lines enhance both aesthetics and performance, making it a true statement on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that redefines luxury. Premium leather upholstery, handcrafted trims, and an expansive panoramic sunroof create a spacious and elegant environment. The 2025 X7 features an upgraded curved display with BMW's latest xDrive system, offering intuitive controls, advanced connectivity, and a fully digital driving experience. Under the hood, the BMW X7 offers a range of powerful engine options, from the refined inline-six to the exhilarating twin-turbo V8. For those looking for efficiency, a hybrid variant brings cutting-edge performance with reduced emissions. Paired with an adaptive air suspension system, the X7 delivers a smooth yet dynamic ride, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rough terrain. Technology is at the heart of the X7, with features like an advanced driver assistance system, a premium Bowers & Wilkins sound system, and rear seat entertainment that ensures every passenger enjoys the journey. The latest AI-driven navigation and voice control make driving smarter and more intuitive than ever. This SUV is more than just a luxury vehicle. It's a powerhouse designed for those who want the best of both worlds, performance and sophistication. What are your thoughts on the 2025 BMW X7? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next video.